Let's calculate the GCD of 36 and 60. First off, which one is the biggest? Well, it's 60, right? So let's put 60 on the left side of the equation and put 36, because that's less than 60, on the right side of the equation. Now 36 goes one time into 60 and then there's a remainder, right? So we times 1 and then plus, how much is the remainder? Well, it's 24 if you calculate 60 minus 36. Now to follow the algorithm, we have to do one step to the left. So now on the new equation we have 36 on the left side of the equation, and then we got 24 on the right side. We forget about the times 1. Now, how many times does 24 go into 36? Well, it's one time with a remainder of 12. If you do this correctly, you'll notice that the remainder will start to get to 0. Now, I'm gonna start coloring in red, because now we've reached a point where the remainder is 0. We don't want that. Instead, we want to forget about the last line, where the remainder is 0. And instead take the remainder before that, which is 12. Which means that the GCD is actually equals to 12. Now let me explain what GCD actually does. We got that the GCD of 60 and 36 is 12. So what does that mean? Well, we can divide both the numerator and the denominator with 12. Which will make that 36 divided by 60 will become 3 divided by 5 if we apply the divided by 12.
Thank you!